Hello, it's Andy Graham of Hobo Traveler. Or My Sosua. I just purchased some queso de hoja. Queso de hoja is a typical cheese that's sold in Sosua, Dominican Republic. It's kind of like a string cheese. It comes in a ball. 110. I'll show you the size of my ball. 110 for this pretty large piece of cheese. ¿Tú quieres dentro del video? ¿Cómo se llama?
Queso de hojas.
Pero ¿cómo se llama el tuyo?
Víctor.
Peter?
Sí, el nombre mío. Víctor. Víctor Sánchez.
His name is Victor. So if you see Victor carrying one of these basins on his head, probably, or up in his arm or something like that, stop him and ask him for some cheese. Sí. Queso de hoja.
Queso de hojas.
It's H-O-J-A. H-O-J-A. Okay, gracias.
Gracias.